friends, welcome to Bella Stitchery. So you know that thing where you have a baby shower to go to, so you buy all of the tissue paper for the one bag, you don't know if you should throw the rest away, maybe keep it because surely one day as a crafter, you'll find some project to use this on. A year and a half later, it is in your laundry room, on a shelf, you throw it away, only to be invited to another shower the following day. The struggle is real, you're not alone. So I thought, man, what am I gonna do with all this tissue paper? This happened to me just yesterday. Party came up, bought all this. It seems kind of fun. Seems like it's a waste to throw it away. I looked at some tutorials on how to make pretty peonies and roses. It's hard. So my next thought was, maybe I could die cut them. You know what, you can. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. I made this card yesterday using some tissue paper and my current favorite die cut die. This little number from Sizzix, Tim Holtz. I think it's called Crocheted Lace. I'll put a link to it in my description. Look at how cute. I mean, I love using different textures, so this is kind of exciting for me. It is really easy to do. What I did was I actually put two pieces together. See, because tissue paper, as you know, a little thin. I didn't want it to get ripped up too much. So I got one of my lace dies here. My Sizzix, if you don't have a Sizzix yet, friends, highly recommend. It's fun for so many projects, and there's so many cute dies out there. So what I do with these really intricate ones, I've heard once you should actually put them face up. Not sure why the pressure is any different versus face down, but you know what? People tell me it. I believe it. Seems like some kind of science. So you put it face up there, tissue paper like so, your other sandwich board here. Ooh, heavy monster machine. And then you're just gonna crank it through. And it really only takes one pass because it's tissue paper. So, okay, first of all, love, right? And you're just gonna be careful when you take it apart from the tissue paper. This particular die doesn't cut off on the ends. So if you wanted to do like a longer row, you could just rerun it through and have like basically a border on like a scrapbook page. So my next tool I would recommend for projects, especially, man, what is it about these Sizzix dies lately? They're so intricately made. Look at all those little pieces. And I used to just take a straight pin, spend a day and a half cleaning that out. Finally broke down and bought this thing. Don't know why I didn't buy this earlier because, again, probably a year of my life has been wasted just cleaning out these dies. So this has a little metal brush there. Comes with this spongy thing too, so you could just roll it on out. Look at that. Pieces pop right out. Cool beans, right? And it kind of feels fun. You could also just do this over like a trash can. So, you know, pad optional there. So I did that. And there's my lace. It's just that simple. The other thing that I tried a green one here with another of my dies. And this die kind of reminded me of like a lace applique, you know, that you put like on gowns. So I wanted to go with that vibe and add some Nuvo drops. This is the Dream Drops that I'm obsessed with. I also have a Nuvo Drops tutorial if you want to check that out. But look at how cute. So I added those in the center there. And this, I mean, this is super intricate, as you can see. Again, I did 2 layers here and I've moved it around a lot. So it's kind of trying to stay together on me, but it's so cute, right? And I was so excited to just find another way to use the tissue paper that I'm inevitably going to buy. Let me know what you think. And let me know in the comments too, if there's a craft you like to make using tissue paper, because I would love to find other ways to make things out of it. I do like it. It's fun. It crinkles. Good times, right? So let me know what other tips you have or suggestions. And then please be sure to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, get all the updates as they come out. So check it out, try it out. Let's go make some stuff. Bye.